morning. It is Sunday, May 3rd, 2026. I've done a little bit of word usage here by Whisperflow. Just wanted to show it real quick. The audio should be better today. Today's a pretty exciting day for Callscraper. Google has some new tools that I'm studying. While we have been building Callscraper on Claude Code, there have been some advancements to ChatGPT and to Google. Their ability to analyze all of the code base that goes along with Callscraper and then essentially provide accurate or well-informed information how to improve and continue to improve our program. Interesting stuff. So real quick, this may not be available to every Google user. I'm on an ultra plan because I'm borrowing from someone else. But this enables Google to interact with your Gmail and your Google Sheets, Pages, other Google products, and funnel them in. It's wild what it can do. We can bring in the memory from our code base. I'm building code, so that this import memory to Gemini is interesting. I'll be using that. Scheduled actions. So let's say you wanted to know how the Mariners did last night. You could check it out on your phone. You could also set your phone to give you a pleasant reminder, or unpleasant, as the case may have been, of how the prior day's game went, and a description, and however you want to set it up. Scheduled actions is like routines for Claude Code, at least at first blush. So it also has the ability now to go into different tabs and make change things, fields within each web page. Pretty interesting. And last but not least, other than the public links is interesting, this NotebookLM. I've been using Notebook quite a bit, and it is very impressive. If you don't know what Notebook is, I highly suggest you go to NotebookLM and check it out. Let me show you what it looks like real quick. NotebookLM is a place where you can store all of the information that you come across in the web, whether it be a YouTube video, a website, or a blog, or you name it. There are a number of different sources that you can find. I've been adding to my Ken's AI brain. I think I have 170 sources for this. The exciting thing is not so much that you can store sources or discuss with the computer questions you might have, but the real value is over here in these videos that you can make and audio back and forths. So for example,
a standard chatbot sits idle, waiting for a user to ask a question. An active AI sales representative takes live business data and acts on it. Here, we see chaotic data streams organizing into a securely booked calendar. When a user requests a quote for a 3-bedroom house move, the agent instantly calculates the price while simultaneously checking your live truck availability to confirm the booking. An external database, like Airtable. By connecting these systems, the AI operates as an autonomous employee, requiring human intervention.
I've made this video
Let's start
quickly.
in the Anthropic.
You can make multiple videos. So definitely something to check out. Also the back and forth podcast between two artificial voices. I've learned a lot from doing this. Let me show you. Right here, there is an audio overview. You can click this icon here and kind of guide how you want information to come. Essentially, you feed it sources from the web. You can ask it to go do research on sock puppetry, and it'll go find 10 sources about sock puppetry, and then it'll present its findings in the center area here. But if you come over to the studio, you can build a video or an audio mind map. You can read these. The infographics are wonderful. But essentially, once you've built these audio files,
I urge you to keep exploring the source.
You have this. Listen to this.
Imagine for a second that it's 7:00 a.m. You wake up, pour yourself a cup of coffee, and glance at your phone.
Best part of the day, honestly.
Right.
Yeah.
But here's the crazy part. While you were sleeping, And AI didn't just, sit in a chat window waiting patiently for you to type a prompt.
Which is what we're all used to.
Exactly. Instead, it actually actively managed a dozen inbound phone reservations for your business.
Okay, we could go on, but there's a bunch of different options in here that are well worth your time. If I want to learn about a new program, oftentimes I will come in here to NotebookLM. I'll create a brand new notebook, and then I will come over here and I'll say sock puppetry. I don't know if that's spelled right, but I send that off. I could do deep research. If this is a big research project or you want better insights, you should choose deep research. For now, we're going to do fast research. I'm going to send it on its way and we'll check up on it when it's done. All right, so for my ridiculous example, you can see now we have seven or 10 different sources. Lamb chop from Wikipedia, how to make a sock puppet, etc. So I could click import here. You'll see it'll begin to process these. And then here in the center, it will begin a conversation between itself and me about this, so I can ask it any questions I want. I can customize up here, but instead, let's come over here and I'll make a deep dive here. If I just click in this section here, if I press tab, it'll just fast forward whatever was written there. It'll make suggestions. If I wait long enough, these suggestions come up as well. Practical activity guide, I can click that. I could sit here and wait. I could generate it, or I could wait for more stuff. Audience focus, there we go. Now I'll generate this and I'll time it. It's 8:03 my time right now. I'll tell you what time it finishes. While we're waiting, I'm going to make a video as well. So let's make it brief. Here's some options that you can choose from. Let's go papercraft. And we'll say let's make a video about beginner level understanding of puppetry and its origins. All right, we'll see how long that takes. I'll be right back. Instagram is online, Facebook is online, and our YouTube channel is obviously going now. The exciting thing, if you happen to have stayed this long through this video, amazing news. As of yesterday, May 2nd, our service has been on the market for 1 day, and we already have an interested business owner down in Texas that we are going to be interacting with, and it'll be an exciting time for Callscraper as we move forward into our first customer outside of the state of Washington. So exciting times. There'll be more announcements as we go, but Callscraper's having a good time. And thank you for watching, all of you who are interested in tech. You'll be able to see this grow as we go. Until next time, enjoy your Sunday. Enjoy your weekend.